What's the 8th type of error in an AI project? No ownership, no maintenance. Training models is like static software. When reality shifts or data shifts or your users change the way they operate, the system needs to change. Without ownership or monitoring of these things to refresh those cycles, performance decays over time until either somebody turns off a feature or they just stop using it. Our mitigation is partially to assign a product owner and partially to define MLOps and GenAIOps lifecycle, telemetry, and all that from day one. This includes things like drift detection, feedback and labeling loops, prompt evaluation, and regular prompt refreshing. This is done partially because the models are growing and evolving and you want to be able to swap them out on a regular basis. And partially because we've got SLA that we want to hit for these critical services. That AI services page for every product that we create as mitigation gives us ownership, dependencies, and our retrain cadence to make sure it's a part of operational reviews. When we built this as a policy Q&A system for one of our clients, that monthly prompt pack refresh and quarterly evaluation of the model drift against gold questions was able to alert when confidence was going down and prevent users from ever lacking trust in the HR Q&A bot that was being delivered.